so we use Leupold QRW rings, which stands for quick release weaver style, 1 inch diameter low rings, so I can get the scope as close to the rifle as possible. So Leupold VX2 3-9 by 33, the adjustable objective. And that's going to sit nicely by putting the tools on the top of the ring and just pinching them slightly like that. That opens out the ring, enabling us just to drop that onto the scope. Putting opposite corners of the ring screws in, but not at all tight to start with. They're very loose, still plenty of play on the scope. Okay, position the scope somewhere where we think. Level. Tighten up opposite screws. Okay, well, taking care not to pinch the tube